There are a few things you can do to preserve kiwi fruit. You can make a nice kiwi fruit jam, or you can dehydrate them, and that's what I'm going to show you today, how I dehydrate them using my dehydrator. Hi guys, I'm Elissa at Moat Cottage Homesteading, the small space homesteading channel. Using a sharp knife, slice the ends off your kiwi fruit. Peel the skin off using a peeler. Kiwi fruit are really slippery, so I found the best way to get the skin off is to peel long ways. I'm slicing my fruit up into about 5mm pieces, which is just under 1/4 inch. You want all your pieces to be the same thickness, so they have about the same drying time. Place your kiwi fruit on the drying racks, leaving room around each piece of fruit for good air circulation around the dehydrator. Set your dehydrator to 55 degrees Celsius or 130 degrees Fahrenheit, or the closest that your machine will go. Every few hours I rearrange my drying trays because the dehydrators dry quicker at the bottom. So I want them to all get a chance to be at the bottom, and I move them around periodically throughout the drying process so that they all dry at the same time. When checking your kiwi fruit, they need to feel dry, leathery, and still be flexible. This kiwi fruit has probably about 3 hours to go. It still feels a bit moist in there. I've given them the extra 3 hours and I've let them completely cool down. Now they don't feel like there's any moisture in there. They feel nice and dry, they're leathery, and they're still flexible. They're ready to store. Choose an airtight container and they're ready to store on the shelf. They will last for years, unless you eat them before that, of course. Now these few pieces that didn't quite dry properly, they could either go back on the dehydrator or you could just eat them as they are, because there's not many there. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.